Example 1. Figure is the plot of the stopping potential versus the frequency of the light used in an experiment on photoelectric effect. Find option A, the H by E ratio, and option B, work function. So the graph was drawn between frequency and potential difference. Frequency was taken on x-axis in terms of 10 power 14 Hz, and potential difference is taken on y-axis 1, 1.5, 1.656 and 2, like that. So in the graph it is clearly been understood that the threshold frequency of the given metal starts from 1 into 10 power 14 Hz, and as the frequency increases, even the potential value also increases. So we need to calculate H by E ratio as well as work function. So let us see that. We know that energy is equal to H nu, and energy can be written as E into V is equal to H nu. Therefore H by E is equal to potential by frequency. Since the graph was drawn between potential and frequency, so the ratio between potential and frequency, which is nothing but the slope, will give us H by E ratio. So the highest value is 1.656 minus lowest value 0, and by highest value of frequency is 5 into 10 power 14 minus lowest value of frequency is 1 into 10 power 14. So what we get? 1.656 by 4 into 10 power 14. By solving, we will get 4.14 into 10 power minus 15. So which is H by E value. Therefore from this what we can write, H is equal to 4.14 into 10 power minus 15 into E, volt second. So let it be equation 1. So we also need to calculate work function. So work function formula is H nu naught, when nu naught is nothing but threshold frequency. Therefore we know H value, which is 4.14 into 10 power minus 15 electron volt second into nu naught value is, since we know threshold frequency value, which is 1 into 10 power 14 Hertz. So 1 into 10 power 14 Hertz means per second. So second get cancelled. So what we'll get? 4.14 into 10 power minus 1 electron volt, because 10 power minus 15, 10 power minus plus 14, minus 1 will be there. So finally 0.414 electron volt is the work function.